So I got this light from Watson and it's been driving me insane, so I thought I'd make this video to show you how to set this up, because it needs some setting up. So it just comes in this box and it's really handy. It's been really cool. It's very bright. It comes with charging cable and the instruction manual, but nowhere in the instruction manual it does say anything about it. So this is what it is. It's got a magnet at the back, so you can stick it to surfaces, metal surfaces. You have the power button, and you can also spin it. So it's a bit of a toy as well. And the light is over here. So I'll show you what the problem is. As you can see, it doesn't turn on, which is just annoying. There's the charging port, but I think this isn't waterproof at all. It says that in the instructions manual, I think. Anyways, I'll show you what the problem with is with this light over here. So it didn't work. I tried charging it, it didn't work. So if you go ahead and open it, in the instruction booklet it does say that do not open it. But you need to open this when you get this out of the box, and you'll find that there's a pad over here, remove before use, and this basically stops provides safety during shipping, because this is the battery and there's nothing on the battery, so we don't know what that is. But yeah, it's a very simple light. As you can see, we'll put that on and then I'll show you what I can do. There we go. Keep tightening until it doesn't tighten, and then this spinner goes on. But you can see it has a magnet. That's very cool. Okay, so now it's in lock mode when it's like this, and to unlock it when it's cycling through the colors, you double press and then it's unlocked, and then you can cycle through the power levels. I mean, this is a very bright light. It really is extremely bright. And not only that, so you got 3 different levels, but not only that, you also have strobe, sorry, and not only that, it also has full power mode, I believe that's what you call it. I might be wrong on that, but I think that's what you call it. And to get to that, you just hold it down, I believe, and then boom, it goes even bright. And this is like the sun. Well, just kidding, it's not the sun, but it's very bright. It's very small, it's very light, it's built like a tank made of complete metal. It's very fun as well. It's a bit of a gadget, so it's a pretty cool light. It's rechargeable. I don't know how long it lasts on a single charge. I'm assuming, because you do have different levels, you can get a little longer battery life on it. But yeah, this is it's a very cool light. But I'll leave a link in the description if you want to pick this up. It's just something fun, but it's useful to have. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in another video.